Hey, what's up, guys? Another week in the bag. Ending this week is a down week. Was in nine stocks. Came out of nine stocks up. One stock for next week turned into be a down stock. Dragged the whole week down on Friday. That was APPS. Sold the put Thursday. Sold the put Thursday at let me see. Um, so, so I should be able to search by name. So I sold a put Thursday. Yeah, I sold these two puts right here for 96, and yeah, this thing found like the cliffhanger on Friday. Yeah, so Thursday I saw Thursday right here. I was like, all right, if we get to 78, I'll be cool selling the 70 put 2 weeks out. It's not bad. Not a bad deal. I'll deal with that time decay. It's not terrible. I was like, yeah, it's a good deal. So Friday, I looked at the market around right before the bell opened, and I saw we were pushing 79. I was like, all right, cool. I'll look at it at lunchtime. Yeah, I look at it at lunchtime. We're pushing 79. I look at it at lunchtime. So here comes 12 o'clock, right? 12 o'clock. I look at it, and we're at 72. I'm like, hold up. Let me actually go into my account. So I go into my account, and I was I was like on my year to date was like maybe like 3,500. My year to date is like 5,200. Because these puts are ballooning. Like they're flapping wings. You know what I mean? Like they're ballooning. I'm like, raggy? These puts are growing wings. So I'm looking back at the chart and I'm like, what's going on? So, I'm hitting up, big old Google. I'm popping up Google right now. I'm like, all right, I need to close these out because some shit is going on, right? So I'm popping up the news, like, I'm on the research tab, like, I'm trying to find something to give me something. There's no news, like, I'm going through it, and there's no news, like, they're just selling this shit, like, there's no, like, I'm looking to see if there's old news from months ago, but there's no real news. Like, I'm trying to find the news, like the hot news that's causing it to sell right now, and like they drop out of the small cap Russell, but they're in the large cap Russell, and that's months ago. And they came out on the 28th of June. So it's not like they came out yesterday in July. You see what I'm saying? So I'm like, I'm trying to find out, like, you see what I'm saying? I'm trying to put it together. So it doesn't make any sense at all on what is causing this sell off. So, like, I'm trying to find something out. So I'm like, all right, 70 will be a level, that'll be a stronger level. So I have this alert here from back when I was trading it in here. Back when I was trading it in here, back in the on the daily chart here when I was selling puts when it was hanging out in the 70s. I wanted to know when it was falling below 70. So later on in the day, around 2 o'clock, I'm getting my 70 alert going off. I'm getting my 70 alert going off back here. Like, let me know this thing is coming down to 70. You know, so decisions, right? So I sold these puts for a dollar for like 95 cents. So and they're 2 weeks out, so I'm getting my alert going off. Let me know this thing is breaching 70. What are you gonna do? And I only sold these puts for $2. and these puts are ballooning. Like these puts are going for like $7. These puts already like they out of control. Like they're out of control from when I found them. They're already out of control. So now they're already massively out of control. Like it's at a point now to where it's like I just need to pull in as much premium, but they already ballooned. So it's just more of the sense of I just need to grab as much premium because I plan on getting assigned. I just need to grab as much premium as I can. I plan on getting assigned. You see what I'm saying? So it's just you're gonna assign me. It's just I'm just gonna roll and take as much premium as I need. Um, so I'm just like fascinated on how fast these things have ballooned on me with no like I can't find no news or nothing because I wanted to dump them. I just wish I had some form of news or something to convince me to dump them, but I had no news, no nothing, and these things ballooned so fast. So all in all, I took it as the L on the chin. I rolled them to August, as you can see. I got where's the roll? I got $4.25 for it. I rolled my strike up one, so it was originally a 70 50. Rolled my strike up one, got 425, and I sat on them. But you could see like, man, they bled this thing down to 65, man. Yeah, they bled this thing down to 65. So I had more trades in here, and I just liquidate all my profitable trades. Um, so everything that I was profitable in, I just liquidated them. So all only trades that I was down on, I kept. So everything that was profitable in, I just liquidated, and I just kept all the stuff um, that was just basically um, I wasn't profitable in. So I just kept these just to hold because I was just like, I got this bag right now. I'm just gonna hold this backpack and see what a ride is like next week. And then once I see what the ride is like next week, then I'll adjust from there. So I got all my margin, as you can see. I have 30K margin, and this thing is only gonna hold. This is just 14K margin for this one trade. So I have all my margin available to me. I just want to see what it's like for another day trading to see if they plan on selling this thing off again on Tuesday. To see where they go from there. To see if I just say, okay, 14K of my account is just for this trade alone, and I work from there. Um, but yeah, that was my week. So everything else was fine. Space, everything else was fine. Space tested me, all that stuff. Everything else was fine. Um, no problems. It's just yeah, Friday just yeah, 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 Friday. That's all I can say. Yeah, nothing else. All right, that's it, guys. Yeah, that was my week. Hopefully, you guys had a better week than me. That's all I got.